Hello bro. So this tutorial is to teach you how to make use of Photopea and how to mock your logos up with Photopea. So first of all, when you download your zip mockup, you just go to your Z Archiver. Then you go to where you downloaded it from, maybe download. So my documents now. This is my mockup. This 3D glass windows. So is this PSD file now? You might see it as a zip. You just have to extract it by clicking on something like this. Then you'll see extract one of these buttons here. They extract it to a folder that you know you'll find it. And we're making use of that PSD file. The PSD file is this one. So after doing all that, you go to Photopea. You can go to your Chrome and search for Photopea. And just go to Photopea. You search for it on Google. So this is the interface of the Photopea. So now what you are going to do now, after seeing this, is you are going to first import your mockup. So you click on File, then you click on Open. That's this one. Then you go to your downloads, and the place that you saved your mockup file is where you see your mockup file. So this is my mockup file now. So I just pick the PSD one. So the one that is 18 MB 3D glass window that I picked is going to load for some time, and it's going to show. So now the thing has shown like this. What you want to do now is still go to your leaf. That's this one. Click on it. Then you see your logo. Then you double click on the place that is transparent. That's this side. And you double click on it. Sorry. So once you double click on that small space in the logo side, or place your logo, to bring you here. So what you want to do now is to close the eye of this, so that you can put your new logo. You have to close the preview logo. So you click on File again. That's that one there. You click on File, then you click on Open and Place. Not Open now, you have to click on Open and Place. This one. Then you go to your downloads. So now the mockup you want to do, the design, you have to save it in PNG. Transparent PNG for you have to be able to mock it up on Photopea. So you are working with a PNG file now, so that's what you are going to pick. So I think this is my PNG file here, and I click on Done. then it's going to load again. So now the file is there, your PNG file is there. So what you have to do now is just click on file again. You can click on lay to go back now and see your preview logo. You can increase it or decrease it or anyhow you want to do it. So you just click on file now, then you click on save smart object. That's this one. It's going to wait again and load for some time, then we'll update it. It's updating your mockup now. So after that, that's going to do for like 1 minute. I pause the video, so then it's going to show you updated successfully. So now what you want to do now is click on this one back. So you have to click on that. After some time, it's going to update. So this is the end result. Now what you want to do next is save it. Click on file, click on export as. That's this one. Then you export it as JPG file. So after that, now you have to increase this quality to 100 and click on save. So your design is going to download. See, it's downloaded. So if you open it now, you will see your downloaded file. So look at it, still clear. If you zoom it in, it's going to still be clear. So that is how to mock up your file with Pixel PhotoPea. Thank you.